You guys ask good questions. I was recently asked, how much of a shop's labor rate does the mechanic get? This person was considering a career change into the motorcycle wrenching world and was having trouble finding out how much does a motorcycle mechanic earn. Well, let's go back to 1998. I left a $12 per hour job to help my local BMW dealer in the shop for $6 per hour. 2 years later, I was head tech and service manager overseeing 3 other technicians, and I was earning $10 per hour. That dealer was billing their labor out at $45 per hour. I left that year and I started Affordable Beamer Services, where I was billing my customers $32 per hour. 12 years later, we were charging customers $100 per hour. I never took a salary. We didn't get rich. I don't know any BMW technicians who became billionaires or millionaires or wealthy. This is a work of passion. There's sacrifices to be made when you fall into this motorcycle wrenching world. You sacrifice your time with your family, you sacrifice time with your friends, you sacrifice time on those great motorcycle rides that you wanted to take that you end up not being able to go on because you can't afford it, and your motorcycle's in pieces anyway because it's been parted out to help everybody else have their dream vacations. My advice to you, don't quit your day job, you hear? You want to wrench motorcycles? Do it on the side. Maybe you get good. Do it on the side. Maybe you get popular. Do it on the side. Maybe you get profitable. Do it on the side. Maybe it becomes your full-time gig. Then you got to ask, do you really want to have your own bigger shop? And that's a whole different topic for a later time when we can get into vendors and salesmen and insurances and all of the ass aches associated with running a motorcycle shop of your own. I've used enough of your time. I'm going to use the rest of this video to say thank you to Tim in Colorado who sent me 2 of these SD cards. These are exactly the cards that I use. They coincidentally arrived right as I ran out of space on the other SD card as I'm filming a bit for you all, a little info bit about the R1200C model, as some of you have requested info about. So, Tim, thank you for sending these along, already in use. Tim's going to ride his R1100 RS from Denver, Colorado out here to Maine this summer for a visit and a tune-up. I'm looking forward to meeting you, Tim. Should be a nice ride. I think you'll like it out here. For those of you who want to send something along, my mailing address is listed below. We've put our mailing address below in the video description. It'll be there from now on. Thank you all. I'm off to go get some things. This video took many hours longer than I was planning, and it shouldn't have. So we're off to feed the kids and get some groceries. You'll see me again very soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye now.